Hey everybody, good morning. So here we are, happy January 6th. So here we are back on the Cummins. This thing's got a misfire in cylinder one. There's the Duramax with the fuel leak. Some videos are being updated on that. Again, I fixed the fuel leak. I did find while replacing the fuel filter, I did find that the one of the return tees on the return line system on the passenger side, right behind the fuel filter, was looks like somebody broke it and then tried to fix it. They put a brass T on there, then they put JB Weld. It wasn't leaking, it wasn't, but once I brought it to the customer's attention, he did eventually want me to fix it because I already had the truck here. So I don't blame him. I mean, I give him a hell of a deal just because I want to make sure that he can fix it. So again, guys, the Duramax is done. It's all ready to go, no problems. It has other problems. I believe the motor mounts are no good. I'm going to show the customer that. The front suspension is just gone. Suspension and steering is just horrible. And there's a transmission cooler line, one of the hard lines right at the crimp that's starting to leak too. So those will come eventually. But for now, guys, I have this 2005, I believe, Dodge 2500 with the 5.9. It's got a number one cylinder misfire, so I'm going to go ahead and take compression of the engine just to be sure. I replaced these injectors about 8 months ago. I don't have videos of it because I just started these videos about 3 weeks ago. I have a ton of pictures of even this truck of doing the work, which I will upload over time. But for now, I am going to go ahead and do a compression. You guys are going to see me take out all the injectors because I want to do the right kind of compression because he's afraid that he was getting blow by for a while now. So I'm going to go ahead and take compression of the engine, make sure that it's all good. You guys are going to see me. I got to take off the intake horn. I'm going to remove all the fuel lines along with the feed pipes that go into the head of the 5.9. For these lines don't go directly to the injector. It actually goes into a feed pipe that gets torqued down with this much bigger nut that's in front of it. It gets torqued down into the injector. There's a process to do all that. So at least in the process of taking compression, you guys are going to see what it takes to change the injectors on one of these 5.9 Cummins. All right, guys. I'll see you guys soon. I'm going to go ahead and start tearing this thing apart, and I'll try to do the best in filming it. I am trying to change the way I do things. As you can see, I'm trying to clean up my speech pattern. I know I don't have the most sophisticated way of talking to you guys, but I really do want to change it. I really want to attract people to come to my channel, so I'm going to try. I'm going to try a lot harder. All right. I'll see you later, and I'm going to go ahead and get on this, and you'll start getting some videos of it, okay? See you guys soon.